most people get this wrong. They think having bad credit means they cannot get a credit card at all. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming you are stuck with no options. In this video, we are breaking down the best credit cards for bad credit in 2026 and how to choose the right one to rebuild your score faster. Let's start with the simple truth. If you have bad credit, banks see you as higher risk. That means you may not qualify for traditional credit cards. But here's where it gets interesting. There are specific types of cards designed exactly for this situation. First category, secured credit cards. These are the most common, and often the best starting point. You put down a refundable deposit, usually equal to your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $200, you get a $200 limit. For someone like Alex, who is rebuilding credit after missed payments, this is one of the safest ways to restart. But here's the problem. Many people misuse secured cards by overspending or not paying on time, which slows down credit repair instead of helping it. Now, second category, credit builder cards. These cards are designed specifically for people with low or no credit. Some do not require a large deposit and instead work through a controlled spending system. For someone like Jake who is starting fresh after financial setbacks, these cards help build a payment history without high risk. In a minute, I'll explain why payment history matters more than your credit limit when rebuilding credit. Third category, store credit cards. These are easier to get approved for, even with bad credit. They can be used at specific stores and often offer discounts or rewards. But here's the trade-off. They usually come with high interest rates, so carrying a balance can become expensive very quickly. Now let's talk about the most important factor. Credit rebuilding is not about the type of card alone. It's about consistent behavior. Paying on time every month has the biggest impact on your credit score. Even small, consistent payments matter more than large spending. Now here's where most people fail. They open multiple cards at once, thinking it will speed things up. But too many accounts too quickly can actually hurt your score. So what should you do in 2026? Start with one secured or credit builder card. Keep usage low. Pay on time every month. Then slowly build up your profile. Let's summarize everything clearly. The best credit cards for bad credit in 2026 are secured cards, credit builder cards, and select store cards. But the real key to success is not the card itself. It is consistent on-time payments and responsible usage. If this helped you understand how to rebuild credit, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit guides like this.